All right, y'all, welcome back. We're going to go into this design, how to layer vinyl, but also layer fonts. So welcome back to my channel. I always bring you Cricut tips and tricks in design space. So let's get it. So what I'm doing now is I'm typing out I choose to, and that's going to be the layer that's going to be on top, or the text that's going to be on top. You can make this any font you want, but I desire to make that one kind of a bold font because I'm going to interchange fonts. So believe is going to be turned to the side, and you want to kind of position it where it's lining up with the I choose, and so it looks like it's that section is almost like a complete and perfect 90-degree angle. And God is going to be a little different. So I don't like that hanging out like that. That does not look good at all. So I'm going to make and play around with the I choose to, again, keeping it aligned with the believe, but where it's going to be positioned on top to where it lines up with God as well. So choose, I'm going to write again, and I'm going to pick this font, and I'm going to see how it is. I don't really like it when it's all capitalized. Like, I love the cursiveness of it, but I didn't like it all capitalized. So when I put it into a lowercase font, this is what it turns into. It's thicker, it's cuter, and it's easier to see, especially when you're going to be weeding it because it's not as thin. So that's the one I decided to go with. I'm going to change the color to this yellow because I'm going to be putting it on yellow flock vinyl, but it's also easier to see. Believe you can also change to a different font. You can keep it as the same, or you can put it into a completely different font than the choose that is in yellow. It is completely up to you. But again, I'm still wanting to position it and line it up with the eye and putting God to where it's going to be symmetrical to the entire design. This is a pivotal when you're using and working with text only designs. You want to make sure you're creating it in a way that it's going to be impactful. People can see, it's going to stand out, because you're not going to be able to rely on images or graphics in order to do so. So for this vinyl, I'm using actually 3 different types. The God is in this foil. The one I showed you just a minute ago, that was in a sparkle glitter foil. And the believe and choose in yellow is in flock. And I got this from Vinyl Frog or on Amazon. And I choose to is in just regular black font or regular black HTV. Hope this helps. See you on the next video.